Hello friends, welcome to the EazyTech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional Facebook page. Step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app. Now click on Profile, right top corner. Now scroll down and click on See More. Now click on Pages. Here you will see the list of all pages which are managing by you. Now to create a new professional Facebook page, just click on Create button, top left corner. Now select the option Professional to create professional page and click Next. Now set a page name and click Next. Now, in this step, you need to pick a category which defines your page. Now, click on Create to create a professional Facebook page. In this step, you need to put some necessary information like your page bio, your website, email address, location, and hours of online presence. If you don't have any, just leave it as it and click Next. Now, if you have profile picture and cover photo page, just update. I don't have, so I just click Next. In this step, you will see your friend list for invite to follow your page. Now, if you want to get professional emails and notification from Facebook and just switch on the buttons. I don't want, so I switch off the buttons and now click Done. Now, you will automatically switch to your new professional Facebook page. Congratulations, your professional Facebook page has been successfully created. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching.